Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Urvi and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my lipstick collection from MyGlam. So I don't have many, but I have 6 to 7 of their lipsticks in different kinds of ranges. So I'm going to show you guys swatches of those lipsticks, and of course I'm going to walk you through the color, texture and everything about those lipsticks. So I'm going to try out a different method. So of course it's not my own idea. I have seen Shreya Jain do this since quite some time now. So what she does is she shows swatches of lipsticks with and without makeup, and I think that's a brilliant thing to do because most of us girls don't wear makeup, but lipstick is one of those things that most girls wear on a day-to-day, even if they are not wearing any other makeup, as do I, because I am a total lipstick person. So I don't leave my house without lipstick. Even though if I am wearing a mask, I will wear a lipstick underneath my mask. So of course I will be showing you guys today how these lipsticks look on a full face of makeup like this, and on my bare face where I don't have any makeup on, not even kajal, powder, nothing of that sort. The entire credit does go to Shreya Jain because I have got this brilliant idea from her videos. So now, without making this introduction a lot more longer than it already is, let's begin. So the first shade that I have is this one, and it's called I Fly, and it's the one that I'm wearing. So it's called MyGlam Lit Liquid Velvet Matte Lipstick. Comes in an outer packaging of this sorts. So the other ones come in a plain white packaging like this, and this one is a colorful one. So this lipstick, as the name suggests, it is a velvety finish. It's not very drying or matte on the lips, and I love the formula of this. Of course you need quite a good amount of lipstick to cover your entire lips and to get 100% of the pigmentation, but for this one you don't need to wear any kind of lip balm or lip oil underneath because it's not that drying, and it's a beautiful and a comfortable formula. It's kind of like a mauvey kind of a color with red tones to it. So as you can see, it's not very loud and it's not very in your face, but yet it does make a statement. So I just loved this color, and this is the first shade that I have. So the next shade I have is from the same Velvet Matte collection, and the shade name is Yummy. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful pink color, and it's that kind of a pink that would suit all Indian skin tones. Of course, skin tones fairer than me would look absolutely beautiful with this kind of a pink, but people with duskier skin than mine can also pull this off because this is not a Barbie doll in your face kind of a pink. It's a kind of muted pink. So the formula is again very comfortable as with the previous one, and I forgot to show you the applicator. So the applicator looks something like this. It's a very simple no fuss applicator, and I forgot to mention the MRP as well. The MRP of these Velvet Matte lipsticks is $3.95. You don't get a very good quality liquid lipstick under 400 rupees, but this one is definitely a good one. And MyGlam does have beautiful offers running all the time. So if you haven't downloaded their app or if you haven't visited their website, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box. Please do not forget to check it out, and do check out their products. This video is in no way sponsored by or in collaboration with MyGlam. This is just my personal opinion because I just love their products. So moving on to the next lipstick, it's this one, and it's called Pie Hunt. You might have seen me using this lipstick in many of my videos. It's one of my favorite nude lipsticks to wear. So it's a very nude kind of a color with pink undertones to it. So those of you who prefer nudes, pinkish nudes, this would be a very beautiful addition to your collection. So people who are fairer than my skin tone, of course, can rock this lipstick, and even up till my skin tone, it's it's pretty good. But if you are a little bit duskier than I am, or even quite deeper than I am, then I'm afraid this color won't look as flattering on you guys. So what you could do is use a dark colored lip liner underneath and then apply this on the centers of your lips, and it would give you a very nice ombre kind of an effect. So this one is the original My Glam Liquid Lit Matte Lipstick. So this formula is absolutely matte. It does kind of dry the lips a little bit, so it's very necessary that you do wear a lip balm or a lip oil underneath and then apply this. It does stay for quite some time, but not very long lasting. So it starts fading in a very weird manner, so you need to take it off and reapply it. But other than that, it's a very beautiful lipstick and it has a lot of shades to choose from. So this one again retails for 395 rupees. But as I mentioned earlier, My Glam does have a lot of offers running all the time. So if you take a small little survey, then you can win this lipstick for free. You only have to pay the 99 rupees shipping charges. And if you do want to take that survey, I will leave a link to the survey down in the description box. Please do not forget to check it out. So moving on to the next lipstick, this one is called Hook Up, and this one is also one of my absolute favorites. So I was looking for this kind of a shade since quite some time, but I couldn't find the perfect one. If you mix brown into a little bit of orange, then that's what you would get. So it's not a very dark orangey color, or neither it is a dark browny color. It's a little bit muted and it does have nice warm undertones to it. So I just love warm undertones against my skin. This is also kind of a nude color, but for fairer skin tones than me, it's going to be a proper terracotta color. For me, it is in between a nude and a terracotta color, and for darker skin tones, it would be a definite warm toned nude. Skin tones lighter and darker than me can rock this lip shade beautifully. It is suitable for all Indian skin tones. And again, this one is from the Liquid Lit Matte collection. Also, I must say I have been swatching some lipsticks right now, and this formula is the most difficult to remove. So the next one is this one from Cape Play collection from My Glam. It's actually a lip gloss, but as you can see, it has beautiful pigmentation, and this is just one dip of the product and just one swipe, and it has covered up all the pigmentation on my lips, and it makes my lips look so nice, hydrated, juicy, and all those good things. And the plus side is that it smells amazing. Wow. So this one is in the variant Passion Fruit, and it's a very bright berry toned color, if you may say so. It's not very deep berry color, and it's not even a very pinkish color. It's in between pink and a berry color, so you can say it's like a bright berry color. I just love the formulation. Of course, it won't be as long lasting as other liquid lipsticks because it's a gloss, but it does look beautiful on the lips and it has great pigmentation. So I don't remember the price of this one, but I will leave it somewhere on the screen. So the next one is not exactly a lipstick, it's a lip and cheek tint. It's this one. So this is in the shade Frolic, and it's a very light peachish color, as you can see. So it does not translate much on the lips, but of course it does give a beautiful peachish tint to my lips. It does not hide my pigmentation or anything, but I have applied the same on my cheeks as well. I have shown how I use this in my previous video, so if you haven't checked it out already, please do. It would look amazing on fairer skin tones than mine. Of course, it does look good even on my skin tone if you just want to, have this tinted look. But for darker skin tones, there are other shades, but this is not the shade for you guys. I'll leave the price somewhere on the screen again. Of course, it's very long lasting because it's a tint, and the smell is kind of weird, but it does not stay on your lips for long. So the last one is this one, and it's called the Lit Creamy Matte Lipstick, and as the name suggests, it's definitely a creamy matte formula. It's not too creamy and neither it's too matte. It's very comfortable to wear, and I'm in the shade Rossini. It's a bright fuchsia kind of a color. I just love it, and of course this would be suitable for lighter skin tones. It would look gorgeous on them, and even the duskier skin tones than mine can pull this off very beautifully. Again, the MRP will be somewhere on the screen. This just has a one swipe application. It's just beautiful on the lips. So the only problem that I have with this lipstick is that the bullet is quite broad. So if people have lips that are thinner, very thin, this lipstick won't be very comfortable to apply because it does apply very widely because of the wideness of the bullet. So you need to apply it from the edges like so if you have really thin lips, but otherwise it's a beautiful formula, and of course it does come with many shades. The good thing about MyGlam is that they have a variety of shades in almost all of their lipstick collections, so this one is no exception. So that was the last one. So those were all the swatches for you guys. My lips are dying. I don't know how people do 15-20 shades of lipstick swatches in one go. I just did 7 and I'm quite exhausted now. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked my mini review on these lipsticks, and I hope you enjoyed watching the swatches with as well as without makeup. Do let me know in the comments down below whether you liked this approach of mine where I show you swatches with as well as without makeup. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And do not forget to hit that bell notification so that you guys will be notified whenever I post a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.